Alright, I'm just getting ready. It's Monday morning for this morning's stream. This is what I see when I'm streaming. Looks like today is going to be a pretty red day in the market. You see this move down. So we're going to go live here in a few minutes and see how much money we can make today. Damn, this computer's fan is getting loud. Maybe time for an upgrade soon. I'm waiting for the new MacBook Pro with the Apple Silicon chips installed instead of Intel, but those probably aren't coming out till next year, so I have to keep waiting with this old guy. And here is my journal that I write all my daily tasks in, bullet journal style, as you can see first. Today we are going to stream trading. Now how that looks like for me is I open up OBS Live over here. I make sure my lens cap is off on my camera, flip my camera on up there, and then we make sure that everything is working. So if I'm in game, for example, shutter opens up, you can see camera sees me there, but I'm out of focus because I was filming with this camera. So I'm just gonna spin this focus ring a little bit until I'm in focus there. Light is a little too close, so we're gonna move this back a little bit so that it is out of frame. All right, there we go. Light's out of frame. And then Caroline brings me my morning coffee about 5 minutes before the stream starts. Thank you. A little interruption there. Coffee is always good. And then I need to make sure that the Thinkorswim game capture is working. So we're gonna go in here, click a few buttons so that it registers. And then you can see that that is up and running, that all the crops are good, everything is fitting in the screen. And then we click start streaming. Once it's time, I'm gonna go to starting soon. You can see this countdown is happening. I'm going to turn on some music. When the moment is ready, we just click start streaming right here. All right, so we just wrapped up the stream today. We made a bunch of winning trades, made a ton of money, made over like 20% on the account today. A great Monday, great way to start the day. Just wrapping up here, you can see microphone here. We're going to move this out of the way. You can see I have my chat over here on the left side of my screen, and then I'm trading on my main screen here. You can see some trades there. And then just ended the stream over here. Chat was wonderful today. Chat was asking so many questions this morning. It was overall a very successful stream, very fun day of trading. Today went very well, this morning went very well. I'm excited to edit this video. There's a lot of educational content in today's daily recap. If you haven't watched it yet, check out Monday's recap. Today is the 26th or the 27th. What day is today? Today's the 26th. Today's October 26th. Check out the daily recap for October 26th if you want to see this day that I'm talking about. And I'll see you later. Day 2, we have just wrapped up the trading session. Got a really nice win in Harley Davidson here for $90 in the small account. And it's just wrapped up the stream. I'm about to edit this video. I believe we're cutting from editing the previous video, but really good trading session, great stream session as well. And we'll see how I am still holding a few trades from the morning, so I'll have to close those out through the lunch session as I'm editing the YouTube video, editing the blog post, and then add those trades to the blog post later so that everybody who's following along with the small account challenge, you included, can see what trades happen even off stream. Check this out. We are up to $786 on the $500 small account challenge so far. Today's recap video is going live at 12:15 p.m. Pacific time. That's 3:15 p.m. Eastern time. just arrived in Sedona. We parked, you can see here, right under the cliffs. And on our drive up, here's about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, our Exact Sciences and AT&T swing trades both closed. And this officially puts the account at over $1,000. There's no more trades open. There is the Sirius trade that's open, but that was the one that was just $5, and it's just, we're gonna let that expire. Even with that, we are up over 100% on the small account so far. So to celebrate that, I am taking today off and hiking in the beautiful mountains and forests of Sedona, Arizona. And then I will be back trading tomorrow on Friday. What? I wish. This is like a little sandy pathway to the beach. There's a little cave house up here. With a cute little window. Can I get up here? That's cool. All right, so far, review of this trail. It's all sand.
Only 5 minutes in.
Okay, well, my 5-minute review of this trail is it's all sand. It's difficult to hike on sand. Any of you who do a lot of beach walks, try doing that at a 45-degree incline. It's beautiful out here though. All right, our check-in. It is still sand, which, you know, is cool and all, but I guess our feet are getting exfoliated, so that's kind of nice.
Are you enjoying yourself?
I am. I love the outdoors. So we made it to the end. We're just chilling here by the river. Found this little tower of rocks. We're hanging out with the snake for a little bit. Yeah, it was all right. I'd say the trail was 90% sand, which is kind of annoying for a woodsy, mountainy trail like this. Overall, the trail was fun. It was really nice to get out in nature, especially as somebody who works on the computer all day, every day, working from home during COVID and all that. It's really nice to get out. And it's beautiful out here. We're used to what? It's been over 100 degrees for the past few weeks. Up to 120. It's 75 right now and sunny, so beautiful weather. Good morning, traders. Welcome to Friday, the end of week 2 in the small account challenge. I can't believe we hit 100% in the account already. You can see up here in the top left, we are at $1,022. Crazy. Today's day 10. We hit that yesterday on day 9. 9 days. We went up 100%. Wild. All right. So I was just running from